Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to be learning how to make vanilla at home guys. So I have here some vodka with me, a bottle, and some vanilla beans I bought from Amazon. So let's dive directly into the preparation. So guys, I have 10 vanilla beans here and we are going to proceed as follows. First of all, open up your beans like this. Get your bottle. Scrape the inside of your beans like this. Put in your bottle. Repeat the procedure. Do this for the rest of your beans. So next thing will be to chop our beans as follows. Put this in the bottle. Fill your bottle with the vodka. So our glass jar or bottle is filled with the vodka. So put a lid over the vanilla vodka combination. Tighten the lid. Vodka is preferable in making vanilla because it's transparent and it gets to allow the original color of vanilla to stand out and it doesn't override or unseat the original flavor of vanilla. We're going to shake this a bit. And you're gonna let this sit for approximately 4 to 6 months on your kitchen counter or in a dark corner. It's preferable to leave it on your kitchen counter because you get to see it every day and you can always shake. So guys, this is your vanilla and start enjoying it after 4 to 6 months. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.